Welcome back, guys. I got a quick little review today. This is a different kind of connector. This is called a PowerCon connector. It's considered to be a lockable equipment AC connector. It's primarily used in the audio business for power lines and lighting applications, amplifiers, things of that nature to supply power in sort of like an industrial setting. So this guy is rated to transmit up to 20 amps at 250 volts. So that's pretty substantial. So let's take a look at the pieces. So here's your male plug. You can see the contacts are actually inside, kind of protected in this part here. There's a locking tab. And then if we open this guy up, little sleeve that's used to compress the tail that comes out. We can actually slide this core out. And this is how you would hook your wires up. You got 3 points. You got your line, your neutral, and your ground. You do have to get this oriented to fit back in. You can see as you tighten this, it actually squeezes in that collar there. Alright, so then this other portion, this is what you would mount. This is the panel mount version. There's all kinds of versions and different variations of these that you can get. But again, the contacts are inside there. And this is a solder unit. Also has the line, neutral, and ground, but it has to be soldered on there. So pretty neat connector. To engage it, you just push in and twist and it snaps and locks, and that's not going anywhere. So I hope you guys found this useful. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.